Hello, my name is Charlotte. On this video, I would like to show you how to create a new audit using Artintech ERP system. Currently, we are on the dashboard. From here, you will scroll down to Audit Control. Click on Audit Control, then click on Audit List. From there, you will scroll over to New and click on New. Now we are in Audit Details. We will go ahead and fill out details. Audit Detail, Quality Control Audit. Created by Sandra Brown. Department, Quality. Audit Category, Eternal Audit. I would like this to be audit in 180 days from now. For audit justifications, I put in, this audit aims to ensure that the manufacturing process and product adhere to the company's quality standards and regulatory requirements. By conducting this audit, we identify any areas that require improvement and take corrective action to maintain product quality and customer satisfaction. From there, we will scroll down to Scope of Audit. For Scope of Audit, I put in the audit scope will include the identification and evaluation of potential risks and opportunities in the manufacturing process, and the implementation of controls to mitigate risk and capitalize on opportunity. From there, I will scroll up and click on Active. Applicable standards and related documents. I will add in a document from here. Click on Close. Scroll down. Attachment boxes. This is where you can add a picture or any documents. From there, you will go down and click Save. And that is how you create a new audit using Artintech ERP system. Thank you for watching, and please follow us for more.